Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be showing you how I make my pound cake. Here's the list of ingredients I use. I have my butter, my sugar, my flour, my eggs, and my vanilla. I'm gonna cream the butter and the sugar together until it's light and fluffy. This is the texture that I'm looking for. What I'm gonna do now is scrape the sides of my bowl down and add my eggs one at a time, beating well after each addition. You don't want to add your eggs all at once. Try to avoid doing that. Try to give it a space for about 2 minutes. Beat it 2 minutes, add eggs, 2 minutes, add eggs. That's how I time myself. Because you don't want this mixture to curdle. If it curdle, you can still use it, but your cake isn't going to be the same texture as if you do it this way. So while I'm adding my eggs, you guys can go ahead and hit the subscribe button on my page. Don't forget to share this video with your friends, and trust me, you guys need to try this recipe. This cake is amazing. When I'm finished adding my eggs and my vanilla extract to the cake batter, I'm going to start adding my flour and my baking powder a little at a time. This is how your egg, butter, and sugar mixture should look like. Now I'm just adding my flour and I'm going to add it a little at a time, mixing after each addition. My kids love eating the cake batter, so I just give them the paddle to eat all of that loveliness from off of it. So this is the texture that you're looking for when you're finished mixing your cake. You're just gonna grease the pan. I'm using butter and I'm using flour to grease my pan, but I usually use the cooking spray You can use either this or the cooking spray. It's all up to you what you have. But I just showed you today how I use it with the butter and the flour if you don't have cooking spray in hand. Just gonna make sure that's well coated so the cake don't stick to the bottom of the pan. I'm just going to transfer my batter into the pan, bake it at a 350 degrees Fahrenheit for about 45 minutes or until a toothpick inserted comes out clean. So, trust me, your kitchen is going to smell amazing whilst this is baking. You're not going to want to wait until it's finished or until it's cool. As soon as it comes out of the oven, you're going to start eating, trust me. So now my cake is finished baking. It has a dimple, but they always say a dimpled cake is a happy cake. So do you see how easy the cake comes out of the pan? So easy. So I'm just going to flip it and leave it to cool. Now it's time to eat. Look at this nice, soft, fluffy texture. Thanks for watching.